Hey y'all, welcome to fit you up here. Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel with another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. You know Democrats got that old saying that never let a crisis go to waste. You know, that's the scandemic. Yeah, but anyway, from that intro, we'll talk about what we not gonna let go to waste. Yeah. Alright, am I recording? Have I got audio? Yep. Alright, so the title probably misleading because I don't believe these are, I don't know, let's see, we unwrap them yet. It looks like that's what I need. Ooh, they stuck together. Oh yeah. Little clear rubber band there. That's just what I need. These come from Tri-Lights. I don't have that thing no more. Tricycle lights. Anyway, these are the replacement. I hope they go broop, broop, broop. So, we'll see if I gotta. Anyway, are these the same thing? Yep, that's what they look like. Do they go synchronizing? We'll worry about that in a minute. But that's the lights, because you've seen the way they mess up and dealio. So these are from Tricycle Lights. They're the one that made the lights for Slang Mod. And I wasn't planning on putting them Tri-LED, Tri-Lights. Anyway, you know, link description deal. What we're doing is giving Lucille new blood. Just been on a ride. Come home, drink some water, and it's probably still hot, so that's what you want when you do an oil change, right? 3 holes today, getting ready for VAM. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is Saturday before we leave, but you're probably seeing it 2 or 3 weeks later. But anyway, never let a crisis go to waste, or never let a project such as an oil change and lights doing dealio. Let me get this started, and then we'll do the. We got a lot to do today. One of Ben from Bites, Beard, and Brews coming to VAM. I finally, you know, it just was something I piddled with. That's what we do, piddle around. Beeping. You can hear beep? Yeah. See, that's the Amazon Prime delivery that I got the Bites, Beards, and Brews set up in my helmet going on. Why you keep moving away from me, huh? Anyway, let's get back to the whole. I'll probably do that tomorrow and be off camera. You can go watch Bites, Beards, and Brews. Shows you how to make the do a vlog setup, you know, for Cardo. Anyway, let's get back to oil change. It's hot in here and I'm ready to go quit for the day. Plus I got a text from Joel, a fan that wants to ride motorcycles with us. Yeah. Pretty bad when your GoPro gets too hot. So it's all done now. Now I get to first we start it up, and then I got to clear to reset the 5,000 mile service intervals. So let's start it up first. It says it's okay now. We'll let it warm up a little bit. And then you go back and check for leaks. Yep. Which I'm good. I tighten all the bolts up, but it's always good to go back and double check yourself. The inspector's out here. He's looking for lost bugs and all. He's double checking. He's like, let's go inside. It's hot. I don't know why you came out here, because you was sitting under the air conditioner, under the fan. Yeah, you was. But he heard the motorcycle start up. All right, so now, if I remember how to do it, because I watched Gliding on Twos, turn it on. I probably got to go back and watch his video. And then hold the off button when that screen comes up. And yep, I did it right. I was fixing to see, it says service menu, and you hold that button right there, and then it comes up to resets. You can pre-calibrate, post-calibrate, post-restore. I have no idea. Private reset, mileage reset, service resets, clear info screen mileage since last service. Yes, mileage has service been resetted. So you can go back out. Engine, 0. Distance to last service, 0, because we ain't rode it. So that's how you reset your mileage. 427. One project down. Taking an agua break. We'll be back in about 30 minutes probably. I don't know. For you, it'd be like... Alright, well, welcome back. Here's what we're working on. As you can see how them lights up there on the fender's missing some. Yep. That's what... And Sling Mod won't stand behind it, but Trave's lights, the ones that made them, will. You see how it's missing some lights? So that's what we're replacing. Let's hope it works. Cut that off before we suffocate. Carbon monoxide poisoning. So first thing I need to do is find my heat gun, which I think it's over here. And them tools are the plastic stuff. Yep, right here, right where I left them. And heat gun is down here. So that's what we need. Heat gun and some plastic tools. See if we can't pull this thing off at a drop cord. Well, no, maybe I'm right there at it. So we plug that in and knock this little project out. Oh yeah, we need some other stuff. I'm gonna jack the front up, take the tar off, because make it easier. Hey, look, I'm Captain Morgan. That's enough. Whew. Too hot to be clowning around. Say, lug nuts 21 millimeters. Mike likes. When you take and you go in a star pattern. Yep. Ooh, didn't have it centered. I believe this is what we need right there. Yeah, I need to take that off, I guess, so I can reach in there and plug that. Alrighty then. What size are you? Oh lordy, more problems. Double checked it. I gotta take off that little cover, and I'll use my blue pick to pull this wire out right here, which is the power that goes to this. So this works. That does it now. So let's see if we can't yank that off with the heat gun. And them power locks, them magnet. Check out Make It Yourself did a review on this and caused me to go buy it. He should have gave me a discount. We'll run this over it like this. I'll get one of my plastic tools and pop it off. I'll be right back with the finished product. Because he's just peeling tape and taping and cleaning and peeling. So this is a simple project. Well, as you can see, it's brighter than it was, right? All the LEDs are LEDing, and they blinking and sensuous. Happy life? I mean, happy wife, happy life, right? But she never complained about it, so, but I just didn't like it. I mean, yeah, I wanted all the lights to light up, right? Well, there you have it, folks. We got the 3-hole oil change done, and we got new LED lights from Tri-Sci Lights, which is the ones that made it for Sling Mod. You can go there and buy just what you need, replacement bulbs, thingies. You know what I'm saying. The other side gave me a little bit more problems, but it's just because of the way I had the wires run under that when I changed the fenders and stuff. Yeah, it wasn't no big deal. A couple of little bolts and zip tie them back up. They all right. Like I said, happy wife, happy life. A+ on that. They shipped them out quick too. I told them what I needed, and they gave me a 25% discount for $75 for 2 pairs. So, you know, regular was $2 something too. Anyway, I'm beat, hot, I need some more aqua. I wish I had to go pool to jump in. Go jump in the lake. Ain't one close by. I'm going in and take a cold shower. Check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and we'll see you later.